So you came to this video because you're looking to learn internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to start an online business the right way. Well guys, I'm going to share with you a simple challenge in today's video that has taken me to an area where I'm making $1,000 days. And I want to share it with you so you too can take advantage of this simple challenge that might change your life. So stay with me. Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be talking all about internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started, and a 15-day challenge. So we're going to jump into how a challenge has taken me to a whole new level, to where I'm earning $1,000 days on the regular, and I want to share that with you because I have this thing that's legit, that works, and it's going to teach you the right way on how to do this, how to make it online. So if you are looking for that right course, that right training, then go through the 15-day challenge. It's just going to cost you 15 days and $7, and see if it's something for you. Okay, see if it's something for you. And you might have noticed that this whole scene behind me and all over is just changed. It's like, what are you doing in here, Zeb? I'm sitting on a camping chair in a messy kitchen. I'm in the middle of a move, but I wanted to push this video out to you because I'm getting ready to leave for the beach for a week, and I'll be off radar for about a week. So I wanted to get into the video because I want to share with you guys, because this is so important and so fun and so good and valuable. I just want to get it out there for you. So let's jump right into my computer here and go over what I'm talking about. All right guys, so we're in my computer. This is the page you're going to come to when you click the link at the top of the description. Now guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and drop me a comment down below and just let me know what you want to see or if this is useful or not, okay? Now, this is the page you're going to come to. This is the page you go to when you click join the 15-day challenge, okay? Join my challenge, guys. Join this challenge, because what this is going to do is going to open your mind up to a whole new world. And I can honestly tell you from experience that this is a legit company, a legit education, one of the best out there that I've seen, and hands down one of the best you can actually learn from and use as an affiliate. So it's like an all-in-one area that's going to teach you and allow you to earn while you learn. Okay, so when you click the link at the top of the description, it's going to bring you to this page here. Okay, so this page is basically a landing page telling you a little bit about me. Okay, a little bit about me and what I'm going to try to offer you here. And basically it's just going to the challenge. Okay, so when you come here, click here to start, put your name, first name, email address, and click get exclusive access, and that's going to bring you over to this page here. Okay, this is my affiliate123.com, and basically I'm building out another site that's going to be like a business in a box for you guys. Okay, so you're going to be able to take what I'm teaching you here, what we're going to learn in this 15-day challenge, and I'm going to actually give you a business in a box. Okay, so that'll probably drop mid-August, the end of August, something like that. But it's going to be a business in a box, and it's going to be a fabulous thing for affiliate marketers, okay? Now, as I'm building that out, it's important to understand what affiliate marketing is, what internet marketing is, what online business is. That's why I push everybody to this 15-day challenge. It's a $7 challenge, guys, and it's 15 days. You're going to get lots and lots of great content out of this. Okay, so just watch this quick video. It's just me kind of telling you what you're getting and what this is all about. Okay, it's a little information about myself and a little bit of information about the trainer and the owner and all that fun stuff. Here's a couple of testimonial videos. Okay, so if you want to see a testimonial video or something like that, then it's all gravy. Okay, so if you want to hit start now, it's going to take you to the enrollment page. Okay, you can watch this video. This video is I can't remember. It's like 18 minutes long. Let's just hit play and see what happens. It's like 18 minutes long. Okay, so you can watch this video or just trust me and go right in. Okay, because I'm going to show you behind the scenes about what you're going to get here. Okay, so what this is a 15-day online business builder challenge, okay? And what you're going to get out of this is going to open your mind up to high-ticket affiliate marketing. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you is because it's very valuable. It's very awesome because you can earn a significant amount of money online doing things that you love, okay? So if you want to earn that, live that laptop lifestyle, and you're looking for a good, legit platform to learn with, a good community, guys, this is where it's at. And you can see if you like it. $7, okay? $7. What's that? 2 cups of coffee. You can see if this is worth it. Now I'm going to show you all the content you're going to get. You're going to get 15 days of training, plus you're going to get 7 bonuses, and you get to talk to a live business advisor, and they're going to help you with any questions you have during the 15 days, which is right there worth a couple $100 just in that, having that person to contact, to have that person to talk to. Okay, these are successful people in that niche. So guys, this is an amazing product. These are the bonuses you're going to get. So you're going to get 7 bonuses, okay? And these bonuses are worth the 10x the cost of the $7. I don't even know why they're giving it all away, but they are, okay? And take advantage of it. It's even got a 30-day money back guarantee if you want your $7 freaking dollars back. But I don't even know why you want to give it back. I don't know why you wouldn't want to absorb all this information. If you're really serious, I've seen so many people come out of this 15-day challenge with a whole new mindset, jump in, and make their first dollars online. And if you want to be one of those people, join, go through it, talk to your get your consultation, and go through the 15 days, okay? Just 15 days of your life, and it could change your whole life. It could change everything for you. Look, they're even giving it for 50% off, so you might be one of the lucky people that gets it for $3.50 freaking cents, which is bonkers in itself. I didn't even know they were running a special like that. But when you see this video, that special may be there, may not. So maybe you'll be one of the lucky ones. Now look, once you join, okay, once you click this Get Started button, once you pay your $7, you're gonna have a couple upsells, of course, through the sales funnel, and that's perfectly normal. And absorb the upsells. Don't go, oh, they're trying to sell me something. Look at the page, read it, because that's what you need to do. That's what you need to learn, because that's how you make money in this niche. Okay, that's how you make money online, is putting people through the process. So you got to understand the process. You got to buy things. You got to go through the sales pages, the sales process. Look, I join platforms all the time, courses, all kinds. Okay, anywhere from $7 to $1,000. I join them all the time, and I go through them. I go through that sales process because I want to understand the psychology of the sales page, the copy that got me to click. Why do I want to click? Why am I feeling this sense of urgency to hurry up and join? So I read all that stuff. I note it down, and I absorb all of it. And that's how I do it. Okay. So I join programs just to learn the process, because these guys are making money from this, and I want to learn, I want to mimic, and I want to learn from them. So I join the courses, go through the courses, take the nuggets that I learn and put them to action. But this 15 days is going to change your life if you want it to. If you're not serious, then don't click it, okay? Because I only want serious people to go through this. And if you're unsure, then click it. You might be like me. I just got laid off 30 days ago. And if I didn't have affiliate marketing, I would be shitting my pants somewhere, okay? Because I'd be scared to death. Look, 15 days, okay? You're going to have 15 days. Look, the first video is 51 minutes. The second video, 45 minutes. The third video, 44 minutes. Okay, so you're getting tons of value. First thing to do here, this is what my recommendation is. When you first come in here, take this quiz. Take this quiz. Schedule your appointment, because the reason why I tell you to do this, the first 2 things, don't even do anything else. Do those things first. If you're serious and you really want to make it online, you'll do those 2 things first. You'll schedule your call. you'll go through, because what this is going to do is going to help the business plan advisor know where you're at, how much budget you have, what's your experience, what you want to actually do. So they ask you just some basic questions, okay? And basically it's going to help them set up a game plan for you, saying, okay, we recommend you do this. Of course, it's just a recommendation, okay? They're going to recommend you do something, depends on your situation. Okay, one person might have $100 budget. One person might have $1,000 budget. They're two different people. They got two different situations, so they can go at different speeds. You might be somebody with a $50 budget, but no matter what, whatever that is, you're specific, and they want to know what that specific original person is, so they can target the right game plan for you. Okay, so that's why it's important to take this quiz and schedule your call. Please schedule that call, because this is worth it in itself. If you don't get nothing out of this, just schedule that call and build that connection, build your network. Your network is your net worth. And I know you've probably heard that before, and it's 100% true. If you don't have a good network, if you don't know people in this niche, in this industry, then you're not going to make it, because you're not going to know who to reach out to, who to ask for help. This platform offers it all. Offers you mentorship, community, affiliate program. The training and the education is by far the best. If you have an opportunity to join, I know when you click that link to start, and you go through to pay the $7 for the challenge, it might ask you if you want to join the Marketers Club. The Marketers Club is the one that I recommend everybody should do if they are serious about training. And let me show you that real quick. I have access. I bought all these. I have access to every freaking thing in that Legendary has. Okay. Now, Marketers Club is a $30 a month education platform. Okay, there's a new course every single month added to this. There's archives galore. Okay, these are just some of the courses, and you can see here archives, many live trainings, 74 videos, 4,449 minutes. This is what you're getting, guys. What you're gonna get out of here is so much gold, and I recommend everybody join this, because every single month you're paying $30 a month, not only for what you got in here, but a new class every single month, guys. Okay, and it's gold. It's gold. It is beautiful. It's gold. But let's just go back to the challenge, because that's why we're here. We want you to go through the challenge to see if it's right for you. You want to learn affiliate marketing. You want to learn internet marketing. You want to learn it the right way. So jump in, take the quiz, take the 15-day challenge, talk to your business plan advisor, and see if this is the right place for you. Because if it is, it may change your life forever. You may be that person that's sick and tired of working the 9-to-5, chained to your cubicle, or you might be somebody like me that has been laid off, and you're looking for that other stream of income that you can put into place. Whatever that is for you, this might be the game changer. Okay, so just open up your mind, take a deep breath, join the 15 days, go through it. Don't try to rush it. Okay, it's $7. It's not going to kill you. It's not going to break your pockets, but it could change your life. It's got the potential to open up your mind to take that next step. Okay, so when you come to this page, guys, just read a little bit about me. Click to get started now. Listen to my 2.5 minute video. Who I am, what I'm sending you to, and join the challenge. All right. So that's all I got today. I just wanted to share that with you, because, guys, I sincerely believe that you're just 15 days away from changing your life. And I am the person that wants to be there when you do that. So join the 15-day challenge, get started, and let's rock and roll. Let's make the rest of 2020 the best year ever. Whether you're going to get started in 30 days, 60 days, 100 days from now, everybody's got different speeds. But if you really want it, you're going to make it happen. Okay? No matter who you are, you could be male, female, you could be young or old. There's people in this that are of all ages, all races, all genders, because it works. Okay, it works. All right, and you might be somebody that's retired that's just looking for another stream of income to help supplement your retirement, and affiliate marketing could be that place. So let's jump right in. Click the link at the top of the description, get joined, get that 15-day challenge, talk to your business plan advisor, take that quiz, and see if this is for you or not. And guys, if you do want a free course, the second link in the top of this the description is my free course. It's totally free to you. It shows you how to start an online business for as little as $56. All right, so peace out. I'll catch you on the next video.